How to change your Gmail name on desktop. This video teaches you how to change the name that displays when you send an email from Gmail. You can do this the desktop version of Gmail, though Google only permits you to change your name a maximum of 3 times every 90 days. You cannot change your email address. Step 1. Open Gmail. Go to https://www.gmail.com in your computer's web browser. This will open your Gmail inbox if you're logged in. If you aren't logged into Gmail, enter your email address and password when prompted. Step 2. Click the gear-shaped icon Android 7 Settings. It's in the top right side of the Gmail inbox. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Click Settings. This option is in the drop-down menu. Doing so opens the settings page. Step 4. Click Accounts and Import. You'll find this tab at the top of the page. Step 5. Click Edit Info. It's across from the Send Mail as section of the settings page. A pop-up menu will open. Step 6. Check the box next to the blank text field. This is the second box from the top. Step 7. Type in your preferred name. In the blank text field, type in the name you want to use. Step 8. Click Save Changes. It's at the bottom of the window. Doing so saves your name change and closes the window. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.